All right, it is Thursday. I just took a trade on GJ. I'm looking at UJ a little bit. So this was a trade that I took at around 7 a.m. Push was around 7:15, so it was a really quick trade. It was a buy for about 18 pips. So as you can see, right along here, there was a little bit of a breakout. There is that wick to fill. Retested the new support, and then it just shot up. So really easy trade. That's what the 5-minute looked like. So you can see where it came up, came back down to retest, and then just skyrocketed up right up to that next zone to fill the wick. So there is a cross on the hourly, a lot of upward momentum, wicks to be filled. And you can see all the multiple touches, and then the support line that I have matches up with the 14 EMA. Go into trading view real quick to look at this. It's GJ. Okay. So let's see. So this was the wick that I was looking to fill. So we came in at about 7 o'clock. This right here was the support. Oh, shit. Okay, that's not working really well. I'll just call it out. So this was the support. You can look left and see all the multiple touches there, 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 there. So we broke out of that, and we had our cross here. So momentum's up, and then we had the wick to fill. And then going on this chart, so now, yeah, you can see that once we break, so like this, we just broke the support, and we're going down. So that's 16 pips right there that we just broke it. But yeah, so you can see kind of the break, retest, and then up. So my entry was around right there after we had rejected off of that point and started to go up. Then I left for like 5 minutes, and then we went up to this zone right here, which was, pretty sure that was around 18 pips. Yeah, so that range was over 20 pips. So it was really easy to get. Normally I aim for around 12 to 15 pips, but that one I think I ended up getting 18 because I didn't have a TP on it. And now, so that trade was pretty straightforward. Breakout, retest, wick fill. Now we can look at UJ, see what's going on with it. So I think an interesting price points to look at over here is this resistance and support line. So multiple touches, like always. There. Let's see there. And then we came up to retest it here, and we had the cross. So cross, downward momentum, broke out, retest, and then continue down. So let's see the range on that one. So for me, and this line also met up with the 14 EMA. So I think you can see that we're making lower lows and lower highs here. And then we've got this really nice range to fill. So once we retested that, got like a good 20 to 40 pip range to fill, so pretty easy to catch 12, 15 pips in there for a trading plan like mine. So you can see the cross and the retest, and yeah, things just going down. 8:30, this is the time when I normally take my entry, so before I took my entry at 7 because I was up a little bit earlier today, had a push around 7:15, and now it looks like 7:35, so we came up for a little bit of a retest at 7:30, and just continuing down. This first retest up at the top of the zone was around 8. So today it looks like everything followed zones really well. This one right here, you could have went for a wick fill as well. It's kind of ugly. But yeah, I think you can see it, this wick right here. So we rejected off of this, came back up to retest, and then wick fill. So this would have been that wick, came back up to retest, filled. Yeah, both things are just tanking. So my guess would be that this could go all the way down to here, just like a 60 pip range. We'll see. And then you can see how these support and resistance lines are lining up with the EMAs too. For me, that's my favorite trades, is when these lines are in similar spots as the EMAs. Same with this one right here. So that was New York session for Thursday.